I mixed eggs with lemon and it tastes delicious. In a blender, add 3 lemons and 4 eggs. Add as well 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of milk, and half a cup of oil. Mix well. Write me in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can personally thank you for keep on following and sharing our recipes. Now pour the mixture into a bowl, sieve it to remove the lemon's pulp. You guys, this recipe is delicious. I'm sure you're going to love its special flavor. Now add 2½ cups of flour. Sieve them to help during the kneading. If you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and comment below, I love lemon. Using a whisk, mix the flour until smooth. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and mix lightly. Put the dough in a baking pan greased with butter and dusted with flour. Put it in the oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. And our recipe is done. What a perfect cake! I really hope you liked the recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye!